made that music.
I apologize, I don't recollect your name. Body, baby. Then I gotta catch my plane. You say you miss me and you're wishing for some private time. Girl, how can we get that?
What's up, y'all? It's Makayla Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I have a DIY, and this DIY I've been wanting to do for such a long time. If you know me, you know I love slides. Nike slides are my favorite shoe to wear. If I'm going out, it's going to be my shoe of choice 9 times out of 10. So I saw these pictures of these slides, and I saw the Steve Madden diamond slides for like $30, and I was like, why would I do that when I already have some Nike slides that I can do it myself for much less. Look at these slides. They look exactly like the Steve Maddens for much cheaper. All my supplies are from Walmart. The roll of diamonds was $4, you know, $3.42. The E6000 is about $3. That's $7 right there. And you probably have scissors at your house, and if you don't have white paint, the white paint is $1. And you can use any brushes, or if you need to buy brushes, you can use the cheapest brushes that they have at Walmart. It is so easy to do. It's so cheap, and they're just so pretty. Like, I love diamond things, and this just elevated my whole slide life. If you would like to see how I made these cute slides, please continue to watch the video. Okay, and side note, one thing about E6000 is when you're using it, it takes a while to really stick and stay, so you have a lot of time to manipulate it and get the diamonds how you want to get it. So that's why you have to hold it down and make sure it's staying. It's not like hot glue. You have more time to really move it around how you want to. That's why I prefer to use E6000, and it's more sturdy. You can try to use hot glue if you want to, but I really wouldn't suggest it because it's really going to peel off eventually. So if you want a temporary diamond look, go ahead and use hot glue, but I want mine to be permanent, so I use E6000. And the diamonds that I got from Walmart, on the roll, they can be cut. If it's not going in the shape you need it to be, it's fine, because your diamonds can be cut, and that's what I also showed you guys in the video. I hope you enjoyed this quick DIY. Like, subscribe, and comment. The EOS. Hi you guys, it's Makayla Janae here, back with another video, and it's always be like questioning my intro. What's up?
Look, another day, another dollar. She hate me when I leave, cause when I leave I never call her.